Q4 is the most exciting time to sell on Etsy. I have been in many Q4s personally on Etsy, and the amount of money to be made is sickening. So let me show you how you can make the perfect Q4 store and get a piece of that massive pie. If you don't know what Q4 is, it's October to December. So it's the Christmas period and all the holidays in between. So let's get right into it. So guys, to get things started, we're going to take a look at Halloween, right? And what do people buy at Halloween? They buy costumes. So let me break down a couple great potential Q4 stores for Halloween. And this just sets the tone for the whole of Q4, right? You can make so much money in costumes for Halloween and then pivot over to Christmas costumes, Christmas accessories, Christmas gifts, right? I can't express to you how easy it is to make tons of money. So first costume here, it's the Sims characters, right? This is going to make a lot of money this Halloween, and as you can see, they're already getting ready for it, and they're doing it year long by getting in front of Comic Cons, by getting in front of cosplay, by getting in front of, you know, the Sims accessories as a whole. So this is a great product to get started with, right? And it's so easy to find more products like that. Okay, so sexy made cosplay, here we go. Here's another one that you could be selling for Halloween, and look, they're getting ready for it, and this is just a product that sells for them year round. Okay, so you can get into all these different types of products. You know, you can get into Halloween costumes from games, right? So let's break down that search again. Gaming Halloween costumes. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so we've got The Sims again. We've got Squid Game. That was very popular last year. You know, and we just have all these accessories. Okay, so you want to be breaking down. You want to be thinking of games. Look what's doing popular. Can you find costumes around that? Look at shows. You know, like Jeffrey Dahmer did great for Halloween. You know, so it's all about seeing what's happening at the moment, seeing what shows are doing popular, seeing what games are popular, finding cosplay, costumes, Halloween outfits for it, getting them up as quick as possible, right? You want to be having your costumes up early September, right? And now that gives you time to rank in the listing, get those early sales, get those early pushes, get snowballing, set up your logistics. Ideally, you want to be working with a private supplier, get that 10-day delivery time. Okay, if you don't have one, join the Discord. We have one for members in there. So now we've covered Halloween, let's get on to the big enchilada. So let's stay on topic. We were looking at Halloween costumes. Now we can look at Christmas costumes. So stuff like this, elf outfits, Santa suits, you know, selling these types of outfits for babies and young kids is extremely popular. A lot of money to be made in that. However, you have to sell great products in a very optimized way at a good price. Okay, and if you sell them, you're going to do very well. You just want to make sure they're very well optimized. You know who your audience is, okay, and you want to be targeting them. So what I mean by this is the customer of this product a parent, right? Are they a grandma? Are they getting it for a friend? And what is the age demographic? Right, what is the niche? Okay, look at this super cute I don't know, League of Legends Christmas outfit, right? Do you know what I mean? For toddlers, boom boom boom, right? And then it's gifts from grandma, you know, gifts from granddad, gifts from godfather, etc. like that. Okay, you know, it's gifts for goddaughter, gifts for granddaughter. You know, you can word it in separate ways. So now we've gone on to the outfits. Now we want to be thinking more gift ideas. Okay, so let's start off general Christmas gift ideas and break it down. So a lot of personalized products do well. Portraits like this do very well. Okay, so you know, this is for relationships. You can do them for families, you know, and all they're doing here is they're getting the customer to send them in the chat on Etsy a photo they want to use. And then they are just sticking it in AI and whipping it on a frame. And as you can see, they have different varieties. So a great method that they are using here is they are starting off their lowest package as a digital file, right? Which means now they are being seen in the listings for a very cheap price for a great product. But then when you want to go and upgrade it to an actual physical product, that's when the price knocks up. So they are ranking well, and they are being seen in this, as you can see here, at a very low price point for a great product. Okay, and then the next things we get is quirky products like this, right? Prescription white wine, personalized little wine bottle label, and stuff like that. Now, to get things moving, you have different types of styles of jewelry, right? For example, Christmassy style jewelry, holly leaves, gingerbread man, Christmas trees, etc. Right? They do very well every single year. Okay, you know, little mince pie ones like that. So that is a great niche to get into. However, it is extremely important that if you are in the right niche as a general store, okay, and when I say general store, I mean you're in a niche but you sell a lot of different variety of products in it. So maybe you sell hoodies, t-shirts, jewelry, right? But it's all in one niche. Say that niche is League of Legends. You sell League of Legends tops, shirts, hoodies, hats, you know, accessories, figures, jewelry, all in that niche, right? Niches like that are going to do very well over Christmas anyway, because guess what? People are going to be buying products like that for gifts for other people who like that niche. So you don't have to adapt too much. It's just important to adapt your keywords and your targeting to people looking for those products in a Christmas setting, right? Christmas gifts for a League of Legends fan. League of Legends Christmas gifts, right? The perfect Christmas gift for a League of Legends fan. You know, type like that is how you want to be rewording your titles and selling in your descriptions to the people that are looking for products like that. So if you have a setup for a store like that, you're going to do well anyway. Just make sure you optimize that. Now, the most important thing to consider during Q4 is your shipping times, okay? I did touch on this earlier, but the lower your shipping times, the better you're going to do, because it means people can order a bit later on and you get to take full advantage of all of the Christmas rush, right? So people can order your products, you know, 10 days, but actually before Christmas, depending on who your supplier is. Okay, and depending on how quick you are actually going on and getting those orders fulfilled, right? Because if you take, I don't know, 25 days shipping, you can't sell anything all of December because everything's going to get there late, right? So now when people are doing all of their buying in December, you are being missed out. So it's important to have the logistical setup, right? And being at good price points. So it's always good to offer free shipping as default, and then you can upgrade. You know, you can speak to your supplier and be like, hi, can I pay extra on specific orders to get super quick shipping, right? And there's a good chance they'll have logistics in place. If not, there are other ways to source your products locally if the customer is willing to pay more. So there's that. So you've got to realize this Christmas rush isn't forever. You want to be able to take many days of it as possible on your store. If not, you are missing out. And if you get Christmas presents late, you are going to have a lot of headaches with customers wanting refunds, not happy, complaints, negative reviews, etc. So I hope this video really helped you with getting set up for Q4. I just want to reiterate how much money is going to be made on Etsy this year. Etsy has grown so much since last Q4, and I wish you all the best, guys. It's going to be a beautiful time to be selling on Etsy, and I'd appreciate if you could leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, because I like to create Etsy videos like this every single week.